My name is Jean Marlwin L. Gamboa. I'm the programmer in this group. I'm responsible for making the program and explaining the program in our Arduino.
Good day everyone, my name is Arshad Ajihi. I am one of the designers in our Arduino project.
Good day everyone, my name is Jeromic A. Ballesteros. I am the documentator of this group. I am responsible for checking and managing the Arduino hardware and software, checking the condition of its components.
Good day everyone, I'm Luis Enrico, aka Tos, and I'm one of the Arduino designers. And together,
We are the Group 4 BGQA TRONIX.
Arduino project number 3. In this project, you will learn how to build a traffic light system using an Arduino board. Traffic lights play an important role in ensuring road and pedestrian safety and managing traffic flow. So let's go ahead and start the Arduino project number 3.
This is the items that will be needed in a traffic light Arduino project number 3. DFR Arduino Uno R3. The purpose of this is to execute the traffic light logic. The mini push button. The purpose of this is to act as a manual input switch. Port the series resistor 220 ohms. The purpose of this is to limit the electrical current to protect the LED from the burning up. Fifth, the LED 5mm. The purpose of this is to provide the visual signals. And last, jumper cable M to N. The purpose of this is physical connection between components. Get your DFR Arduino Uno R3 with built-in prototyping sheet. Second, get a resistor in 220 ohms and put it in the breadboard in designated area. Next, the second resistor, which is followed by from the first. Next, our third resistor will be put it in a breadboard in the designated area. And the fourth resistor will be put it in a breadboard in the designated area. Next will be the mini push button switcher. That will be our manual remote when turning on the traffic light. Will be put in the center of breadboard in designated area. And a fifth resistor will be put in the breadboard in designated area. And the sixth and last will be resistor will be put it in the breadboard in designated area. Next will be the green LED light will serve as the pedestrian lane light, which means go. The second will be the red LED light will serve as stop. Next will be another green LED light, which is this will be served as the traffic light. That will be means go. Next will be the yellow LED light, which will be serve as ready. Next and last, and will be the red LED light will be serve as to stop. Next, get jumper cable and connected to the designated area breadboard. Next, in the second cable will be put it in the breadboard in a designated area. And the third jumper cable M2M will be put it in a breadboard in a designated area. And the fourth cable, jumper cable, will be put it in a breadboard in designated pin area. And a fifth jumper cable will be put it in a breadboard in pin designated area. Next, our sixth jumper cable, and put it in a breadboard in a designated area. Our seven jumper cable, we will put it in a breadboard in a designated area. And an eighth jumper cable, will be put it in a breadboard in a designated area. And a ninth jumper cable, we'll put it in a breadboard in a designated area. And a 10th jumper cable will be put it in a breadboard in a designated area. And the 11th jumper cable we will put it in a breadboard in a designated area. And a 12th jumper cable will be put it in a breadboard in a designated area. And a 13th jumper cable will be put it in a breadboard in a designated area. And this Arduino design project for traffic light.
Here's the code behind our Arduino project tree. We give each LED a name and remember which Arduino pin it's connected to. We have here the LED pin assignments or LED pin assignments. Int red 1 is equals to 12. Red LED for direction 1. Yellow 1 is equals to 11. Yellow LED for direction 1. Green 1 is equals to 10. Green LED for direction 1. Here the direction 1 is the driveway. Int red 2 is equals to 8. Red LED for direction 2. Int green 2 is equals to 7. Green LED for direction 2. Here the direction 2 is the pedestrian. We have here the timings. These are the rules for how long each light stays on. For green light, we have int green duration is equals to 5,000. That is 5 seconds. Int yellow duration is equals to 2,000. That is 2 seconds. Int red duration is equals to 5,000. That is same as green for opposing side, which means that the direction 2 also has the same value of duration. Void setup. Here's the setup part that runs only once when the Arduino starts. So we have here the pin mode red 1 output, pin mode yellow 1 output, pin mode green 1 output, pin mode red 2 output, pin mode green 2 output. All of this is to set all LED pins as an output. Void loop. This part, the loop runs again and again until you unplug the device. The device will start with the direction 1 in green and the direction 2 in red. So we have here digital write green 1 high to turn the LED on by sending high power to pin. Digital write yellow 1 low to turn the LED off by sending low or no power to pin. Digital write red 1 low. Turn the LED off by sending low or no power to pin. So now for the direction 2 we have digital write green 2 low to turn the LED off by sending low or no power to pin. Digital write red 2 high to turn the LED on by sending high power to pin. So here we have the direction 1 is on green light and the direction 2 is on red light, so that there is no collision between two directions. The delay here is green duration, which we declared a while ago as 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds, the green light will turn off and the yellow LED will light up for the direction 1. So for the yellow light in direction 1, we have digital write green 1 low and digital write yellow 1 high. The delay here is yellow duration, which we declare as 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, the yellow light will turn off and the red LED will light up for the direction 1 and the green LED for the direction 2 will now light up. So for now, the direction 1 will be digital write yellow 1 low, digital write red 1 high. For the direction 2, which is pedestrian, we have digital write red 2 low, digital write green 2 high. The delay here is also green duration, because that is the same as the duration of green in direction 1, which is also 5 seconds, so that the pedestrian can pass safely. After 5 seconds, the green light will turn off for direction 2 And now we have the digital right green too low and digital right red too high. Also, we have here digital or delayed yellow duration. That is the delay before restarting the cycle. And the yellow duration is 2 seconds.
As you can see, it shows the traffic light and pedestrian light is working together with the code that had been uploaded in the DFR Arduino Uno R3 with built-in prototyping shield Arduino.